Do you have hyperpigmentation, dark spots, wrinkles, acne scars, or acne, and you want to get rid of it? If you want to get a smooth and glowing skin, this face scrub is all you need. Stick to this video, watch to the end.
I was a lonely silhouette, needed somebody to show the way. Yeah, I was a heartbeat with no sound till you came around. Yeah, you showed me colors, light in the darkness. You were the only thing I needed. Then we got older, but we stayed the same. Swear that we never lost the flame.
Hello darlings, welcome back to another beautiful video. In today's video I'm gonna share with you a very beautiful stuffs. Like this scrub is gonna help you get rid of hyperpigmentation, wrinkles, dark spot, aging, acne scars, wrinkles, and all that. Okay, so we're gonna be making use of 1 cup of sugar. You can make use of 2 cups. It depends on the quantity that you want to make. Okay, if you don't want to make use of white sugar, you can go ahead and get your brown sugar ready. Okay, we're going to be making use of 1 cup of sugar. After that, you go ahead and add 1 teaspoon of turmeric powder into the sugar. Hello beautiful, in case you just came across my video for the first time, you're highly welcome darling. In this channel we talk about beauty, skincare, DIY, product review, and many more. Please subscribe to my channel, like this video, turn on the bell icon so whenever I upload a video you will be notified. Okay baby girl, so next we're gonna be adding honey into, like seriously I did not measure this honey. Okay, so you can just go ahead and add any amount of honey you want. Okay, or you can go ahead and add 2 tablespoons of honey or 1 tablespoon. Okay, so my next ingredient is half a lemon. I just add everything on the half a lemon into so that I can get more juice from it. Okay, so for you that has acne scars, dark spots, wrinkles, aging, or your skin has been damaged, you're searching for how to get a smooth and healthy skin, this scrub is amazing. So if you want to get rid of those stuffs on your face and body, go ahead and make this scrub yourself. Make it at home. Go and get all the ingredients and start making it immediately, so you know everything you added, what it is. Okay, so I added 1 teaspoon of olive oil. You can go ahead and make use of coconut oil, but if you don't have coconut oil, it's okay, just make use of olive oil. Okay, so our next ingredient is going to be 2 teaspoons of shower gel. You can make use of any type of shower gel of your choice. If you have shower gel at home, go ahead and get that. Add it into your scrub. Okay, 2 teaspoons it's okay. And then after adding, you're going to mix everything together until they are well incorporated. Okay, so right now I'll just give it a little bit of mixing. Okay, so right now I'll just go ahead and mix all the ingredients together to form a creamy or thick scrub. Like seriously guys, if you add yours into a bottle this way, make sure you mix very well, because if not you might add some of the inside white and yellow, so you don't need that. Okay, you just have to mix everything together so that you will have a beautiful and amazing scrub. All right. For my returning subscribers, I love you all so much. A huge hugs for you. Like seriously, I can't see you, but thank you so much for coming back to watch my video. I wish I can see you face to face, okay? And for my new subscribers, thank you all so much. I do really appreciate your love and your support. I'm so grateful to have you all here on my channel, okay? For the one that just came across my video, thank you, my baby girl. I hope you have subscribed. If you have not subscribed, please subscribe, like this video, share with your loved ones and your family if possible. Okay, so right now you see I have missed it. It's so how, okay? Like right now it's somehow strong a little. I'll go ahead and add more honey to it, okay? If you don't want to add more honey, you can go ahead and add 2 teaspoons of your shower gel, or you can go ahead and add lemon or add honey, okay? So as you can see, everything that we use on this video, they are all naturally. My shower gel is not a bleaching shower gel, it's a moisturizing shower gel. So everything we use on this video are so nice, and this is the outcome of this scrub, guys. It's so beautiful. Like seriously, imagine use this on your face and your body, then give that your body a good moisturizing lotion or cream. You are going to love it, okay? Please like this video. It's very important to me, okay? I hope you enjoyed this video. If you enjoy it, please do like this video, like and share to your loved ones and your families. Please subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell icon so whenever I upload a new video, you will be the first to notified. YouTube will just notify you that, hey baby girl, Nayas has uploaded new beautiful videos. Please come and watch it and enjoy, okay? So I hope you like this video. All right, so see you on my next video. Thanks for watching. Love you. Bye.